The Cordless Pressure Washer by MIMYTH offers powerful cleaning performance with its 1,200 pounds per square inch capability, making it ideal for tackling tough dirt and grime. With its high-capacity 21-volt 4 ampere-hour battery, this power washer delivers up to 40 minutes of continuous cleaning, ensuring you can complete your tasks without interruption. The versatile 6-in-1 nozzle allows users to choose from a variety of spray patterns, making it suitable for a wide range of cleaning applications, from cars to windows and floors. This pressure washer is highly portable, weighing only 3.2 pounds, and features a straightforward setup with quick connect ports and clear instructions. It is equipped with multiple water source options, including a faucet connector, weighted filter for buckets, and a bottle connector, providing flexibility for any cleaning scenario. Included in the package are essential accessories such as a foam pot, extended hose, and storage case, ensuring you have everything you need for a comprehensive cleaning experience.